everyone, welcome to the KOREHUB. In today's video, we will learn how to create a guessing game in Python. This is an excellent exercise to practice using loops and if-else statement. Let's start. Overview of the game. Here is how the game works. Number 1. The program will randomly select a number between 1 and 100. Number 2. The user has to guess a number. Number 3. The program will provide hints whether the guess is too high or too low. Number 4. The game will continue until the user guesses the correct number. Number 5. The program will also keep track of the number of attempts. Let's see a demo of how this game works. Their program has selected a number. Let's say the number is 50, but user don't know this. The user guesses 25. The program say guess higher. The user guess 40. The program say guess higher. The user guess 60. The program says guess lower. The program says correct. You took 4 attempts. Now let's move on coding this game step by step. Generate a random number. First we need to generate a random number. We will use Python random module for this. Import random. Generate a random number between 1 and 100. Jackpot assigns random.randint into 1 to 100. Get the user input. We need to take the user to guess the number. We will use the input function for this and convert the input to an integer. Guess assigns int input guess the number. Number 3. Compare the guess. Next, we will compare the user's guess with the jackpot number. We will use a while loop to keep the game running until the user guesses correctly. Initialize attempt counter. Attempt assigns 1. While guess is not equal to jackpot, if guess is less than jackpot, print guess higher. Else, print guess lower. Get a new guess from the user. Guess assigns input int input guess again. Attempt plus equal once. If the guess is correct, print correct. You took attempts. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips to help you create this game more effectively. Break down the problem. Divide the task into smaller manageable parts. First, focus on generating the random number and getting user input. Then handle the comparison logic. Number 2. Use functions. If your code gets too long, break it into functions. For example, you can create a function to handle the guessing logic. Number 3. Keep it simple. Start with the basic logic and add more features gradually. For instance, start by just comparing the number and then add the attempt counter later. Number 4. Use comments. Add comments to your code to explain what each part code's done. This makes your code easier to understand and maintain. Number 5. Test thoroughly. Test your game with different scenarios to make sure it handles all cases correctly. Examples for kids. Let's make this even smaller with a step-by-step explanation suitable for kids. Number 1. Generate a random number. Imagine you have a magic that can give you any number between 1 and 100. Ask for guess. Now you ask your friend to guess the number in the magic that. Give hints. If their guess is too low, you tell them to guess higher. If their guess is too high, you tell them to guess lower. Number 4. Count the attempt. Keep track of how many guesses your friend made. Number 5. Celebrate the win. When your friend guesses the correct number, celebrate and tell them how many tries it took. Here is how the code looks in simplest form. Import random. Step 1. Generate the magic number. Jackpot assigns random.randint into 1 to 100. Step 2. Ask for the first guess. Guess assigns int input guess the number. Number 3. Step 3. Initialize the attempt counter. Attempts assigns 1. Step 4. Keep giving hints until the correct guess. while guess is not equal to jackpot. If guess is less than the jackpot, print guess higher, else print guess lower. Ask for a new guess. Guess assigns int input guess again. Attempts plus equal 1. Step 5. Celebrate the win. Print F correct, you took attempts. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to create a fun guessing game in Python. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.